Hey YouTube, Carl here. Welcome to my channel that's all about my beginner's journey in the world of watches. And in today's episode, we have a brand new watch from Seiko. I picked this one up from atTokyo over at the Podium. This is the new Seiko Land Tortoise. Nice name. Let's take a closer look. Quick wristwatch check of the day. I am wearing one of my favorite G-Shocks, which is this ridiculously colorful piece over here. If you guys want to know more about this watch, I will link my unboxing down below. Now let's get to the watch. Now this is part of the collection of land tortoises. How do you pronounce tortoise properly? Hold on. Apparently it's tortoise. Tortuhs. Well, that's how you pronounce it. But anyway, tortoise. Tortoise. So this is the Seiko Turtles. Now, the previous one was ocean inspired. Everybody knows them as the Turtle. This one is built for people who want to go hiking, people who want to go trail running, people who are more into the land and outdoors and stuff. And you will see the difference when we unbox the watch. So you can see it is your typical Seiko box. And if you pop it open, I did get this brownish rose gold number over here, which looks absolutely stunning. Now, there are 4 color options. Like what I mentioned earlier, there was a green version that looked absolutely rugged and cool. There was a blue version that was originally my choice, and there was a black version as well. I ended up going for this brown number, primarily because I have so many brown watches. I have so many blue watches. I have a ton of black watches, and I'm not particularly a fan of green watches. So seeing as this was the most different looking piece in the lineup, I gravitated towards this one. Now here in the Philippines, the SRP is 15,810 pesos. That's roughly around $300 plus, which is so much more affordable than the US. I think in the US it's selling for like around 400-500 US. So it's a great thing that we get to buy great watches like this at better prices here in Manila. Anyway, let's take it out of the box. The first thing that you will notice is that if you are a Turtle fan, Seiko Turtle fan, is that they reduce the diameter of the case. Instead of your typical 45 which is already super wearable, this one clocks it at around 42.3, which makes it more manageable for people with smaller wrists. Now, another amazing thing about this one is that for the price point, it already uses sapphire glass or sapphire crystal protecting the watch. So it is more scratch resistant. It's not your typical mineral or acrylic glass. In terms of the movement, it is automatic. It uses the 4R35 movement of Seiko. Not necessarily the very best movement that you can get, especially at this particular price point, but I think they kind of traded that off for the other features that they put in, just the sapphire crystal and the compass function that they built into this watch. Now, it's not like you flip it open and there's an actual compass. You have to manipulate the bezel and use it and turn it in some way to be able to use it. I'm not particularly knowledgeable how to do that, but I will link down below on a quick guide on how you can use the bezel compass of this one, because for me, I'm kind of looking at it and I was reading about it, I was watching videos, and it just literally flew over my head. But yeah, if you are into the outdoors and if you want like a timepiece that can also function as a compass, albeit in a very manual way, then you can go for this one. It also has 200 meters water resistance, so it's not completely unusable in water. And like what I mentioned earlier, it does have a date complication, which you can find in between the 4 and 5 o'clock position. Now, who should buy this watch? Well, apart from people who like going outdoors and would benefit from the built-in compass on the bezel, I think that people who are Turtle fans and fans of the Captain Willard line, you know, obviously the Turtle kind of resembles the Captain Willard, one of the more expensive but kind of really desirable Seiko mid-range watches. Now, if you don't have that budget yet to buy, for example, a Captain Willard, you might want to opt for this one. At least you have 2 options. If you're into diving, if you're more into water sports, you can go for the Turtle. If you are more into the outdoors, you're more into trail running, you're more into trekking, you're more into mountaineering, then you can go for this one. Now, obviously, you might want to swap out that leather band if you go for this brown number over here, if you are going to go outdoors. But I'm sure you can find like a nice NATO strap or some durable rubber strap to be able to fit the look and the overall reason on why you would use a watch like this. So if you live in the Philippines and if you're interested in any of the 4 tortoises, you might want to check out at Tokyo at second floor over at the Podium. They have 4 in stock, around 15,000 pesos again, SRP. Now, before I wrap up this video, I do have this other unboxing that I want to do for you guys. This is from the brand Zippy. So Zippy sent over this really nice watch roll that they mentioned to me was inspired by the Philippine flag or the Philippines. So let's pop this box open. Wow! That is nice. So guys, this is what the watch roll looks like. Made out of really nice leather. So color blue for the exterior. It has the Zippy branding here at the back. And if you pop it open, I guess it'll be red, yellow, and white maybe. So there, oh, that is luxurious. Wow, that is luxe vibes all around. So as you can see, oh, they even, oh man, take a look at that. Guys, they put my initials in leather, so CSO in yellow. And then you have these 3, well, watch rolls or watch, I guess, pockets that you can put your watch in. But man, this is really nice. Cool. Again, Philippine flag inspired. So if you guys want one, I'll link down below to their Instagram account. Make sure to support local, especially if you are in the Philippines. This is a really nice watch roll. Again, from the brand Zippy. And that, ladies and gentlemen, pretty much wraps up our watch vlog for today. Let me know which color of the tortoise you like the most. Hit the comment section, and as usual, I'll try my best to reply to as many of you as possible. This is Carlo. Thanks for watching another unboxing. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.